check. Hola! Hi guys, so I'm here in Salcedo. Oh my god, I'm so shy to film. I am on a solo date because I'll try cafes here in Salcedo. So our first stop is right there. Let me zoom, guys. So cute. Let's go. Hola! I'm here at Ula Cafe and I ordered banana pudding. Ito yung bestseller nila, guys. So, let's try. Hi guys! So, I just finished trying the viral banana pudding. Pero medyo, siya, masikip. Kasi malit lang yung space nila. Pero the vibes is vibing, you know. So creative inside the cafe. And I would rate the banana pudding siguro an 8 out of 10. I don't really like bananas kasi, but I like the pudding itself kasi may balance siya nung cinnamon and I love cinnamon. So ayun, yung matcha niya more on the strong side siya. Ako kasi I love my matcha sweet, so I didn't really like the taste. Or okay lang naman siya kasi nagbabalance yung pudding at saka yung matcha taste niya. So it was fine for me. I'm on to the next cafe, which is Uji-san. So, yeah. Alam nyo guys, inaya ko kasi yung friends ko mag-cafe hopping. Pero busy sila lahat. See you guys there! Bye! I'm at Uji-san. I ordered their sea salt latte. Whoa, look at that, bro. So green. So cool. Taste test. Guys, masarap siya. Oh my god, guys. Naka-picture mode pala yung camera ko. Kaya pa ako nag-chika-chika dito. Pero, hindi na ako yun na yung last place ko sa Uji-san. Yun na yung last matcha hop ko. Matcha cafe hopping. Hindi na ako pumunta sa ibang cafe kasi hindi na kinakaya ng tiyan ko at hindi na kinakaya ng aking wallet because it's so pricey here. Just kung mahal pala dito sa Uji-san, feel ko dahil sa coffee yun. Pero mahal talaga siya, guys. So I think I'm gonna continue next time. Pero andito na yung movie ko, so bye-bye na. Ano ba yun? Dami kong chinita kanina. Hindi mo feel. Kakauwi ko lang, kakarating ko lang sa bahay, and I'm so drenched in sweat. Sobrang aay. But anyways, I just wanna make a small haul of what I bought earlier because I cannot film inside the SM Makati. Hindi ko kasi alam if pwede. And hindi naman ako nahihiya. Sadyang mahihiya lang ako pag nasita ako ng guard. I bought this Hada Labo. Also bought eyelash curler. Mura lang siya, guys, 100 lang. Hindi ko na kasi mahanap yung eyelash curler ko, kaya bumili na ako ng bago. Hindi ko nga alam if if pasok siya sa eye shape ko. Yung mata ko kasi is monolid eh. So hindi ko alam if pasok siya. So let's try. So may nakukuha ba? I think para to sa almond. Hindi ko alam. Mayroon siyang nakukuha. Okay. Tignan natin. So, I bought blushes from Lucky Beauty kasi dati ko pa siyang gustong i-check out talaga, guys. Kasi sabi nila, sobrang long lasting. Guys, hindi to sponsored Hindi ko pa talaga natatry itong shade na to, but it's very interesting. It's like a mauve, violet mauve. Over naman sa mauve. This is Muse. Alam ko medyo pinkish, brownish. Ito. Ito siya. Sige, wag kang... Yan. Ganyan siya, guys. And lastly, I bought powder bronzer from Happy Skin. Parang halos lahat ng makeup ko naging Happy Skin na. Kasi ever since nagpa-check up ako sa derma, sabi niya, mas, non-comedogenic daw yung Happy Skin. Meron ako nito, pero blush. Ito naman, bronzer. That's all, guys, for this day. Hindi ko alam if i-film ko pa yung week na to kasi wala talaga akong gagawin. Nasa bahay lang ako. Kumbaga, bed rot all day, every day, ganun. So, siguro sa Tuesday, kasi pupunta ako ng school, gonna meet up with my friends because I'm gonna buy my PE uniform. Hi, guys! So, today is December 16. It's Tuesday. And as you can see, I'm currently dressed up for school. I think I'm gonna go to my dentist afterwards. So, let's see how this day goes. I just finished getting ready. Okay guys, so I don't know what bag to use. Pupunta kasi ng condo para kumuha ng mga things. So I'm thinking of using either this one or this one. But I think this is much bigger than this one. So I think this one na lang. Okay, I'm gonna bring this. I don't care anymore. I need a lot of storage. I love this bag, guys. I got this from a thrift store in Singapore. Actually, may story to pero wala na akong time para i-tell. Pero binalikan ko talaga siya, guys, kasi I felt like this was meant to be mine. Alam niyo yun? Maka-arte talaga. But anyway, so, of course, power bank. What else? Piso Life. I like that it's following me. Wallet. Inhaler. My skin looks so rough because I've been breaking out lately and it's not cooperating with myself, you know. Hey guys, I'm here in school. So, nakatapon siya sa envelope. So, I'm just gonna get my PE. Sana madali lang siya. Mabilis lang naman ata. And after, kakain lang ako. And, punta ako sa dentist. May pake, guys. May Hindi ko na i-meet up yung friends ko kasi ang tagal nila, guys. And may mga errands pa ako after. So, fit muna natin, guys. Baka mamaya. Ay, hindi siya sakto-sakto. So, pinalitan ko siya ng large kasi yung late pala ng sizing nila. I'm on the way to El Poco kasi nag-crave ako ng tacos. Actually, sabi ko kanina, mag-24 chicken ako kasi ang mahal ng El Poco. Pero, sige, minsan lang naman. So, let's go! I'm at El Poco. I ordered tostada tacos. So nice, guys. Yum! Diyos ko. Another unhealthy food coming up. I also ordered horchata. Kapag natitikman. Wow! I put sauce, guys. If you love cinnamon, guys, you should try their horchata. Proud to, guys. I'm gonna eat quesadilla. Oh my god, it's so unhealthy. Parang nating mukbang na yung vlog ko, guys. Ay, brand ko. Charing. It's the next day. Today is Today is December 17. It's currently 10:45 a.m. I feel like ever since nag-start yung Christmas break namin, I felt like a type B or type C person. I used to be a type A person whenever I'm in my dorm kasi I'm just dependent. My room's so messy, I wake up so late, my daily routine is ganon. Ano yun? Wala lang, I'm just enjoying my bed rot hours, ganon. Okay, let's reset today, right now. Lately, tinatry kong mag-jog for 3 times a week. Para lang meron tayong movement within this break. Dahil nung first sem, wala talaga akong ka-exercise. So, eto na siya. I look so rough, guys. My skin is breaking out. And it actually reflects on my routine every day since nag-start yung Christmas break. So, let's change that, guys. We're gonna do a life reset. Before that, magsasampay muna ako kasi ito yung utos na nanay ko at di ko pa nagagawa. This is my drip, guys. Duster.
So these are the things that I got from TikTok shop. These are all running clothes. I bought this top in ivory white and this black shorts. It's very body hugging and maaliwalas lang yung feeling. Also got it in black, very cute. White long sleeves, also body hugging, and it has this feature where you can secure your fingers dyan sa cloth, and you can also zip it up or zip it down, whatever you like. Got it also in black, which is super cute. And lastly, I got blue shorts, which is same rin sa black shorts. May pockets na rin. All of these are very affordable, guys. So it's already 11:30 p.m. I already cleaned my room. As you can see, na-change ko na yung bed sheets. I did my chores, and then after that, went to Ayala Triangles to run. I've been trying out different locations whenever I run kasi wala lang, nagtatry ako kung saan pinakamagandang tumakbo. I don't really like yung uphill, guys, kasi napapagod talaga yung paa ko. So, flat muna tayo. I don't know if I should end the video here, guys. Parang nung ine-edit ko yung vlog, parang aabot na siya ng 15 minutes. Let me know in the comments. 18 na ako, guys, so pwede na kayong mag-comment sa vlogs ko. Hindi na siya YouTube Kids! Let's see tomorrow if may gagawin pa ako para makapag-vlog ako. Good night, guys! I'm at Marugame Udon. I'm so shy to film in public, but I'm here to eat. I just got my underarm waxed sa Bare Naked, and now I'm eating katsudon.